Welcome to my channel, What's Tricking's Channel. Samahan niyo ako at tayo'y pupunta sa Royal Canadian Mint, ang gawaan ng mga coins. Lahat po ng flag na yan, mga 80 countries, lahat po ng coins nila, dito po yan ginagawa, pinoproduce. So napakadaming bansa po ang iginagawa ng Royal Canadian Mint na coins. Sila po ay nagpo-produce ng 15 to 20 million a day na iba't ibang coins sa iba't ibang bansa. Kasama na po ang ating bansa, ang Pinas. Pagpasok pa lang po natin sa place na yan, maaaliw ka na, marirelax ka na. Napakaganda ng place. At ngayon ko lang po nalaman na yung palang ating 20 coins, 20 peso coins, ay dito ginawa. Bago kami pumasok sa building, kami muna ay nag-picture-picture at talaga namang nakakatuwa, nakaka-relax ang tanawin. Makikita mo lahat dyan yung flag ng 80 bansa na nagpapagawa ng coins dyan sa Royal Canadian Mint. The Royal Canadian Mint, RCM, is a government-owned corporation that design, manufactures, and markets Canada's coins and wide range of precious metal products, including gold, silver, platinum, and palladium coins and bars for investors and collectors. That's founded on January 2, 1908. That's the Ottawa branch of the Royal Mint. And Canada gained full control of the mint, officially forming the Royal Canadian Mint in 1931. Then, in 1969, it was reorganized as a Crown Corporation. Then, the second facility opened here in Winnipeg in 1976 to handle high-volume circulation coin production for Canada and other countries. Winnipeg facility produces circulation coins for Canada and international clients, 80 countries, I think, and hosts an education center and guided tours. And you can see here the products like collector's coins, commemorative coins celebrating Canadian history, culture, and events, often featuring innovative design, colorization, and special finishes. Our 45-minute tours are fun, educational, and perfect for all ages. We discover the milestones, moments, and coins that shape 50 years of minting in Winnipeg. The RCM is a sandstone-clad building composed of a front and 3-story pavilion. Our 45-minute guided tour overlooks the state-of-the-art manufacturing the facility, revealing the precise art and science of coin making. So, nakita namin dito yung mga high-tech nilang technology machine. Shout out sa lahat na nagwa-watch sa aking channel at sana po'y inyong bigyan ako ng magandang comment kung anong masasabi nyo dito. Bigyan nyo na din ako ng likes at paki-subscribe na rin para mas marami pa akong magawang content para sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa walang sawa niyong pagsubaybay at panonood ng aking channel. God bless. And I tried to carry this gold bar. Oh my God, it's so heavy. 400-ounce gold bar na naka-display dyan. So heavy. At yan po ay nagkakahalaga na 2.5 million Canadian dollar. Wow! Their products is just like bars and medals. Gold and silver bars, medallions, and tokens for investment and collection purposes. So, marami tayong makikita ditong mga mabibiling coins. May mga design. Maganda ang kanilang facilities. The Royal Canadian Mint is recognized globally for its innovation, quality, and security in coin production. Galing ano? The RCM produces a variety of coins with different designs and finishes, catering to collectors and investors. Here are some key you can find here. They have a store to find the coins, different design, very unique. They have also collectible coins. The Mint also produces special coins for events, such 2026 FIFA World Cup coins. Napakadami nilang iba-ibang klaseng coins. Makikita nyo dito at mabibili nyo. They have a pure silver coin. Meron din silang pure gold coin. Meron din silang silver coin. That's premium bullion. Yung mga mahihilig mag-collect ng coins, dito nyo makikita at mabibili ang lahat ng gusto nyo. Napakagaganda talaga. Pambili lang talaga ang kailangan. Shout out po sa aking family sa Pilipinas, sa lahat na nagwa-watch ng aking channel. Shout out sa aking unbiological sister na si Juliet at sa isa pang unbiological sister ko na si Beth. Siya po ang dahilan kung bakit po ako nakarating dito. Napakabait po nito para ako'y igala ng igala sa mga place na hindi ko pa nararating. So, mayroon din po siyang channel. Shout out sa iyong channel. Good Vibes, Canada. Maraming salamat, Beth, dahil in real life at sa aking channel at sa aking sa Facebook, ako'y iyong sinusuportahan palagi. Thank you so much. Take care always and God bless. To all the people that always watching my channel, please give me a comment. So next time, I will make a shout out for your name for my next video. Thank you so much and God bless. Yan naman pong nasa small bottle na yan ay gold, pure gold. Binebenta din nila as collection. Ang ganda, no? Ang cute. 23 carats. Talagang pera ang kailangan dito para makapamili ka ng mga ganyan. Sobrang naaliw lang talaga ang aking mga mata sa mga pinanood kong mga gold at silver. Kaya ayan, nag-display muna ako dyan at nagpasensyo, nagsayaw pa, at ako'y tuwan-tuwa ba. At yan naman pong side na yan ay pinainting lang. Ang ganda, no? Parang tunay na may ginto sa loob. Yan po ay painting lang. Ang galing. Yan naman pong isang yung silver, yan po ay nagkakahalaga ng 20,000 Canadian dollar. Shout out sa lahat ng mga taong laging sumusubaybay at nanonood ng aking channel. Katulad ni Jeanette Dimesa, Sis Fati Makaraig, Ariel Kauket TV, Soji Sumagang, Sahya 1088, Mary Rose Latigar, Marian, my niece, Alison Ortiz, Christian or Jovelyn Candelera, Cory Coily 9548, Sis Jolita Baroza, at sa lahat na nagwa-watch ng aking channel na hindi ko nasabi ang pangalan dahil hindi ko makita sa comment section. Lahat po kayo na nagwa-watch ng aking channel, maraming salamat po. God bless sa inyong lahat.